Welcome, friends, to another enlightening episode on. Today we unravel the mystery that is the ATS-friendly resume. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a fresh face in the working world, creating a standout resume is paramount. But here's an interesting twist. Have you ever thought about making your resume ATS-friendly? Don't worry if you haven't, because we're going to discuss exactly what that means and how to do it. Buckle up, it's going to be a thrilling ride. Curious about what an ATS-friendly resume is? ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System, a software that employers use to simplify the hiring process. It scans resumes for specific keywords and phrases that align with the job description, ranking candidates based on their relevance. So if your resume isn't ATS-friendly, it might be overlooked, never reaching a human reviewer. But fear not, friends, we're here to arm you with a foolproof template that will pass the ATS test. Prepare to take notes. Firstly, pay attention to the layout. Maintain a clean and simple design. Opt for a professional font such as Arial or Calibri and stick to a traditional format with clear headings for each section. Now let's dive into the content. Your resume should consist of the following sections: contact information, your name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile if you have one. Professional summary, a concise summary of your skills and experience tailored to the job you're applying for. Work experience, your previous jobs listed in reverse chronological order with job titles, company names, and employment dates. Education, your educational background, including degrees, certifications, and relevant coursework. Skills, your key skills and abilities, focusing on those most relevant to the job. Now that you're equipped with the template, here are some tips to craft an ATS-friendly resume. Tip 1. Use keywords. Tailor your resume to include keywords and phrases from the job description. This boosts the chances of your resume passing the ATS. Tip 2. Avoid graphics and fancy formatting. While they might look appealing, graphics and fancy formatting can confuse ATS systems. Keep it simple with a text-based format. Tip 3. Use standard section headings. Make it easy for the ATS to navigate your resume by using standard section headings like work experience and education. Tip 4. Save your resume as a plain text file. When submitting your resume online, save it as a plain text file (TXT) to ensure compatibility with ATS systems. And that's a wrap. With our ATS-friendly resume template and these useful tips, you're set to impress potential employers and land your dream job. Thanks for tuning in. And remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons for more insightful content.